tire shop, about to get a whole tire now. I ain't gonna lie. Whole back area right here is crazy bad. Look at that. Hold up. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I ain't gonna lie. Hopefully the rim not messed up, but you know, it is what it is. But now I'm somebody go get it situated. Look at my baby. My baby look good. Can't say she don't. Well, from this side too. What? Oh, I tell you, my guy. Yeah. Ain't not really burn out. I just take off at the light and then it just.
It'll take off. I know.
Yeah. What is the word, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? Look, I ain't gonna lie. It's been a while. But guess what? Got another video. I just want to show y'all the car real quick before I start it off. But right now we about to drive, you know what I'm saying, to this little church, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, you know what I'm saying? I just gotta show y'all. I had to park up, you know what I'm saying? Oh my god. What the? Man, like, I just had to park up real quick to show y'all, you know what I'm saying, what's going on, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all the whip, you know what I'm saying? My little baby and everything before I start this drive. But basically, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be highway pulls, we're gonna be doing all types of stuff. Like, just a whole POV, all right? So, you know what I'm saying, let's get ready. Boom. Boom. Let's get in this jump. No cap, but look. I ain't gonna lie, this whole video, I'm gonna update y'all on what's been going on in my life and everything, why I've been distant. Oh my gosh, why the fire people? I'm gonna show you why I've been distant, you know what I'm saying, from YouTube and everything like that, social media in general, you know what I'm saying? Everybody follow me on social media like TikTok and anything like that. Why I've been, I'm saying, not posting. Oh my gosh. But yeah, don't mind the lights right here, bro. They all, you know what I'm saying, those not accurate at all. Those not accurate. If y'all know, I did do a swap for my, my dash, my thing like that, and my cluster. And I'm working on doing a steering wheel swap. So everything right here is not, and I did a seat swap too. You know what I'm saying? So look, everything right there is not accurate. So do not mind that. Don't be like, oh, you got a Christmas light, you got a Christmas tree on your dash, because I don't got a Christmas tree on my dash. Stop coming for me because I don't got a Christmas tree on my dash. And I might look crazy, but oh well. I don't got a Christmas tree on my dash, my guy, so stop. I mean, I do, but, you know, it's not accurate. But basically, look, the main reason I've been away is because, to be honest with y'all, bro, life is stressful. You know what I'm saying? And plus, y'all know I got a kid now. I just had a baby boy, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I'm excited, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, everybody that's parents, everybody that's dads, parents, mom, dad, anything like that, y'all know having a kid is like the best thing, you know what I'm saying, you go through. But it's also stressful because, like, especially if you're a new parent, like, you basically just, like you going through so much emotion, like you learning, and you just, you know what I'm saying, you know, you just gotta focus, you know what I'm saying, try to get yourself situated with everything. But yeah, that's what I did. Like that's why I was away. And I ain't gonna lie. Hold up. Okay. But nah. And also, I haven't really even been out, to be honest with y'all, to even really make videos. I know I don't really gotta be out much to make videos, but at the same time, like I just, you know, I mostly do like car content, like outdoor vlogging or whatever like that. And I haven't really been out nowhere to go do that at all. Like I literally been inside the house the whole time, bro. And it's not even a bad thing either that I haven't even been out. But the thing is, like, I just lost all my creativity. Like, I forgot how to make videos. I don't know what video topics to make. And I be getting ideas from people and stuff like that. But it just be like, I don't know. I just don't be thinking that I could do it because, I don't know. I just don't be feeling like I'll be able to do it because, I don't know. I don't know. I just don't be feeling like I'll be able to do it because, like I said, I don't go nowhere. I don't really, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, it's not a bad thing and I don't do nothing. I choose not to do nothing, you feel me? And not to go nowhere. But, you know, it's kind of hard to record by yourself, you feel me? Like, I feel like it's best to record, it's best to record with you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Got, you know, some people with you, like, because you know the type of recordings I do. I like, you know what I'm saying? I don't like holding the camera, I ain't gonna lie. Holding the camera, that's gonna be the worst, bro. I'd rather, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'd rather have, you know what I'm saying? But I got some real ideas though, but I just haven't done it real. Cause like I said, I don't know how to record it. You feel me? It's all like reels where you gotta act out like skits. You feel me? So I don't know. I'm gonna try to lock in and try to get those situated soon though. And now y'all gonna see more content for sure. But other than that, I mean, I don't know. But we about to get on the highway right now. We about to do these pulls and stuff like that. You feel me? No cap, know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know what I'm saying, what it is. You know, hey, look, you know when the Crocs coming off and the shoes coming off, it's getting serious, you feel me? Stop playing. I just gotta wait for all these people to go. But nah, you know when the Crocs come off, it gets serious. I don't know. If y'all do the same thing that I just did right here, take y'all shoes off before y'all get on the highway and about to, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm saying, let me know. Shake the block, you feel me? But let me know if y'all do the same thing, because I think I the only one to do the same thing. But yeah. And let me tell y'all something too, right? So lately I've been getting bullied by the police, you feel me? I got pulled up by a female officer, like literally back to back. Like one day I got pulled over by him, the next day I got pulled over by him. First day I got pulled over by him because he said I was speeding. He stopped me specifically and pointed me out when I was behind another car and basically said I was speeding and said he got me because he noticed my tint. And he said he not even sure if it was me that was speeding because he used the old school radar clocker. And then he pulled me over the next day talking about, oh, I was being loud. My car was loud. Bro, my car was loud. Why didn't you give me a ticket the first time, bro? I don't know. Well, come on, let's get ready. Oh my gosh! No! Oh my gosh! That don't sound good. Say that sound good. Hold up. Ain't gonna lie, I got a you know I don't got paddle shifters. I'm gonna get a paddle shift steering wheel soon, but I gotta shift with this now. So watch. Oh, 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 oh my gosh! Oh, oh, oh! Stop playing. Okay. The pop sound, I'm telling you, those pops be sounding good. Gotta put it on the pages real quick. I gotta see my shifts. Cause like I said, I don't got pedal shifters. They don't show me the pedal, the shifters on here. I don't know why. They should be showing me the shifts on here, but they don't ever show me the shifts on here. So I gotta put my little engine thing on real quick. Hold up. And I gotta downshift. Get around them boys. Get around them boys. Ah! Fart on them. Ah! Ah! No cap. Gotta, you know what I'm saying? What? Gotta, oh, downshift, hold up. Downshift, switch lanes all the way. Look, downshift again. Switch lanes all the way. Oh, downshift again. Oh! 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 I don't know if y'all can hear them pops, but oh, what's this? AMG thing? Hold up. AMG thing? Oh! Nah, for real. I ain't gonna lie. I haven't drove my car, like, I haven't really, like, pushed, I'm not gonna say push my car, because I'm not pushing my car. I haven't really had fun in this car in a while, bro. Like, I don't know, I really have fun in this car in a while. Dang. Honda bumper coming off. I don't know if y'all see that right now. The Honda bumper coming off. I'm scared to be next to him. The heck? Come on, downshift, watch. Downshift. Look, you know you can. Watch it. Yeah. Watch that, boy. But nah, I don't know if y'all knew this, but y'all could downshift by just stepping on the gas. Watch. You see this? Look, no hands. Look, hold up. Let me get past this car real quick. Get past these boys real quick. Oh, Honda, what the fuck? The Honda now says how to, what? You trying to chase me? The Honda trying to chase? Renato, look at this. Look, I'm a look, downshift like this. See that side says forward, watch. Went down to 3. And then push that little shit. Oh shit. Ow! 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 We get active. We get active. Ah! Ah! We get active. We get active. What he on? What he on? What he on? What he on? Ah, we get active. I began active. Ah. I don't know, bro, but I think Bruno just got mad. I think because I had like I had to do a maneuver quick because you know what I'm saying, the car next to me almost, you know what I'm saying, he went in my lane. So you know what I'm saying, the car next to me, so I had to maneuver quick, you feel me? And Bruno, he just like kind of like pulled over to the side and like just kind of looked at me or whatever, but bro. It's all good, my guy. Come on now. It's good. And look, everything that y'all see in this video, it is not real. It's AI generated. And plus, I had like, if you see anything on my speedometer that says it's going a certain speed, let y'all know it's not going exact speed because of the fact that I had customized it to make it seem and look like that I'm going a certain amount when I'm not. Because just for the video and for the cinematic purposes or just for the excitement of the video and the entertainment of the video, I had changed a lot of things. You see, like I'm not going 50 miles per hour at all on this ramp at all. I'm actually going way slower than this right now, to be honest with y'all. And y'all can see because I'm obviously not catching up to those cars right there. And you know, those are regular civilians, and those cars, you know, it's no way that every single car is going faster than what it say right here, because I'm obviously not going this speed, you know. So I just want to let that be known. So if anybody is watching this video, please do not try to reenact anything that y'all see, because like I said, it is not real. Most of it is AI generated. Well, some stuff is AI generated and some stuff is just, you know, rigged for the video excitement, just like movies. A lot of movies aren't real. They're rigged for the excitement of the movie, and they look like something that like something that's not what it is, just to make it like I said, exciting. So yeah. Alright, now I'm just gonna do solo pulls now because it's like a straight shot from where I'm at right now. I'm just gonna do solo pulls on the highway and just, you know what I'm saying, so y'all can hear the car, you feel me? I'm gonna do like 30 to, the speed limit here is like 70, so I'm 30 to 60, all right? 30 to 60 pulls. All right, y'all ready? Downshift real quick. I'm gonna do 40 to 60. Yeah. Top plan. Alright, but look, I ain't gonna lie, I don't want to bore y'all too much on the highway, so I'm saying I'm about to wait till I get, you know what I'm saying, to the main road, and I'm saying do y'all a little point of view over there, you know what I'm saying, little pulls in the main road, and then after that, then yeah, you know what I'm saying, yeah, my guys. So I ain't gonna lie, like I said, AI generated, don't believe everything you see, you know what I'm saying, okay. I'll be back on the main road now. Yeah, I had to do a little pull right quick. No, it's yeah. No, yeah. No, yeah. I ain't gonna lie. It's something about, you know what I'm saying, driving this vehicle that just give me so much drilling, and I ain't gonna lie. Everybody say Mopar this, Mopar that. I haven't really drove any other car but Mopar, you feel me? And I ain't gonna lie. I feel like, I drove a different car before, but listen, I feel like Mopar give you like a certain, Mopar give you like a certain type of adrenaline that you just don't get from any other car. I don't know, maybe because I haven't drove any like fast cars really. Just like, I feel like it was fast. Like realistically fast, but I don't know. Mopar just give you that adrenaline, like oh my god. It's like you on a, like, the heck? I don't know, it feel like, I don't know. It's like, basically, like what people say, it's a big boat. It's basically like a big boat, bro. That's pushing. No cap. Oh my gosh. Hey, that's Zay. Oh, that's Zay. I know y'all saw him. That's Zay right there, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. If y'all know Zay, he got a black Chrysler. His is a V6, but he do got a Burble tune. And I ain't gonna lie. realistically, I know y'all be coming at V6s and stuff like that, but V6 with a bubble tune sound, I ain't gonna lie, it sound good. In my opinion, it sound good. And his sound good. Like, just hear him. I don't know if y'all heard him when he went by, but that joint actually sounded good when he just went by. But yeah, shout out to my guys, no cap. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, he had the first Chrysler, like he had like 11 through 14, now he got a 15 plus, whatever. And I ain't gonna lie, he been building his junk ever since, no cap. And everything, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it's coming out good, it's coming out nice. No yeah. No yeah. If y'all got any ideas too that y'all want me to make videos on, let me know. Cause I'm willing to do any kind of idea that y'all let me know about. I'm saying just trying it out, no matter what it is, because like I said, I want to keep putting on these videos, and for the people that do actually watch, I want to, I don't want to just leave y'all hanging. For the people that actually, do care about, me making videos. Oh, they from Virginia. Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but I want to make more videos and stuff like that. So y'all just gotta let me know what y'all want to see, no cap. Y'all want to see more point of views, because like I said, I got like I really don't got no other ideas, and most ideas I got is like with other people. But I feel like I'm gonna be making solo videos from now on, like more often. So if y'all know any kind of point of views y'all want to see, like any topics, like I was seeing point of views where like slide every corner, or like point of view with my dog, and this and that, and things of that nature. If y'all want to see anything like that, y'all let me know, and I'll get this situated for y'all. Do a little pull for y'all real quick. Yo, listen, that is the end of the video. My bad, it got cut off. I'm saying I didn't really get to record like on my other point of view, but it gets to a point. You know what I'm saying? But I want everybody to hit that subscribe button. I'm saying, like this video. Y'all watching the video, I appreciate everybody, man. No cap, I appreciate everybody that is watching this video. And I actually, I actually genuinely mess with my content for real, because, that's all that I ever wanted, you feel me? So, everybody take care of yourself. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, just be easy, man. Okay. No, I ain't doing the little thing that people be doing. I'm just like this, but everybody take care of yourself, man. Be easy. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, lock in, no cap, because yeah. And again, like I said, this video, I don't want anybody to try to copy off whatever happened in this video, because this video is not real. Video is edited to make it seem like something that is not. So that's life. Appreciate it.